Okay, so to actually download or install a Chrome extension, you need to go to the Chrome extensions web store. So if you Google that in your Google browser, you should come up with Google Web Store, Google Chrome. So if you select that option, it will come up with extensions, and then it will give you a list of and range of different extensions that are available for you to choose from. So there's quite a few different categories. So as soon as it's arranged in categories. So if you select all, you can have a look here. There's by Google, developer tools, fun, news and weather. Sometimes the news and weather is helpful just to have that to hand. So let's have a look at news and weather. So I've got a range of different ones that I can use. Always go for the one with the more rating. So this one only has 141, so I'm not sure I'd completely trust it at the moment. This one has 4,752. Is there on any other apps? This one has 5,925 world weather. So I might just be tempted to use this one. 4,752. Because I don't really want the world weather. I'm more interested in weather in my area. So I'm going to choose Gizmetro. So if I select on Gizmeteo, you'll see that it gives me a website address. So notice this one is an RU, so it's not a UK address. So for me, I'm not sure that I particularly want to download it because it's outside the UK. So I can go back. I can select something else. So this one may be weather. So this one I can see, I can check the website here. So if I check the website that's given me, take a bit of time. I can see this is a .com website, weather for Chrome, your browser, your weather. I can have a look at the features, make sure that I'm happy with it, weather extension. It seems okay to me. So if I'm happy, I can go back to the Chrome store and it tells me that I can add to Chrome. So I can add to Chrome. So when you click on add, it will pop up with this message just to say, are you sure you want to add this Chrome extension? So you can click on add extension. So mine's downloading at the moment. So the speed at which this is done will vary with your internet connection. Once this is done, you should get a message pop up to say that it's been added. So it says there, weather for Chrome, thank you for installing. So if you want to see where that actually is, you can go up to your Chrome bar and you can select the jigsaw puzzle piece. Then you just scroll down and you're looking for weather for Chrome. So there I can see weather for Chrome in my list of extensions. So at the moment it is on my bar, my toolbar. So now if I want to pin it up for ease of access, I can select the pin. Okay, so if I select on my pin now, you can see that I've got the weather here. So if I select the weather just by clicking on it, there we go. So it's loading my weather forecast. Again, this is because I've got a slow internet connection. So when I click load weather, it then comes up for the weather for my area. So you can see there I'm on a downward spiral from 10 o'clock tonight going down. Then I've got the weather forecast for Thursday, Friday and Saturday. Great, so I can just come off there. Now, if you decide that you don't want some of these extensions or they just don't work for you or whatever reason, you can remove them. So the way to remove them is to click on the jigsaw puzzle piece, scroll down to this cog where it says manage extensions, click, and then this gives you the full list of all of the extensions which you've plugged in. So let's go to the weather. So here I've got the weather. If I don't like it anymore, I don't want it, I can just select remove. And then I'm asked here if I want to remove it. If I'm sure, I just click remove. And then Chrome will automatically uninstall that as my Chrome extension, and that will no longer be attached to my browser. So you can see there it says sorry to see you go. I don't have it in my browser extension anymore. If I click on the jigsaw puzzle piece, I can check that it's gone, it's no longer there. Okay, so hopefully that's helpful. If I was you, I'd just have a go, have a play installing something, and see how you get on.